90 seconds of real estate tips with Rich. Let me explain something to you. I'm not opposed to making money, but I am opposed to doing more work in order to make it and taking on more risk and even more. I don't want to do that. And here's the thing about Airbnb arbitrage. You're going to take on both. You're going to take on more work and you're going to take on more risk. You don't own equity in the deal. You're basically using somebody else's property and you're calling it your own. You're going to have to fix that property up when people break it. Have you ever stayed in a hotel and broken a towel hanger, or you've broken a toilet, or something has happened? These are things that happen in real estate, especially when there's a lot of usage. And you're going to have to fix those things as an arbitrager. And let me tell you something. An arbitrager is actually something that has been around for a long time, and it's called subleasing. This is not anything new, to be honest with you. But the thing is that these arbitragers try to make it sound sexy, to hook you in, to get your attention on this. And I'll say, it's not a comfortable feeling to be fixed and dependent on this Airbnb platform. Remember that Airbnb is a software company. They don't care about you, they don't care about anybody. So what they are going to do is they're going to optimize their platform for them. They're going to charge higher fees, and they could become the bank. They could become the person that decides to want to do the arbitrage, and they can cut you out of all of those deals. Listen, don't rely on software in order to make money. Focus on independent. Focus on long-term rentals.